Can you really make money online with LiveGood with absolutely no effort? We about to find out. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video we are talking about LiveGood and being able to make money without any effort on your part. I'm talking none. So if you've been doing any sort of research on LiveGood, or you actually even already taken the LiveGood tour, and if you haven't taken the tour yet, link in the description. But one thing that you will notice is people talking about how you can make money with this network marketing opportunity without having to recruit anybody, right? And that's unheard of in the network marketing space, right? Network marketing is all about recruiting people. That's how you make your money, by bringing people into the company. But LiveGood, right? LiveGood has made it a point to say, hey, you want to get involved with us? If you really can't recruit, or if you really don't want to recruit, guess what? You still can make money with us. But is this really possible? And the answer to this question is yes, it actually is possible. So here's the thing. What LiveGood says and what other marketers say is you can earn over $2,000 a month without recruiting anyone. Now, how is this possible, you wonder? All right, I'm going to tell you. It's a thing in the network marketing world called spillover. Now, what spillover comes from is whenever you join somebody, all right, you join them, boom, it's them, and then you join, they're right underneath their sponsor, right? Now, say their sponsor, right, just starts going in, right? Their team is huge. They fill up all of their positions in their network, right? So here's your sponsor, and here's you. Your sponsor fill all these people up. So now the people start falling down to you because your sponsors, their network is full, right? So when people keep coming in, they're going to keep going down, down, down. Eventually, they're going to fall underneath you, and you're just going to start earning money. That is how it works. That is how it is actually possible to make money with absolutely no effort, because that can happen by you just becoming a LiveGood member. You pay $10 a month, right? You're a LiveGood member, and you don't do nothing. Just say you don't even take no products. Say you don't recruit nobody. You don't market. That's actually a possibility, but that is not 100% guaranteed that you will receive spillover. Now, because right now LiveGood is growing at a crazy rapid pace where there are thousands of members joining like every week. I mean, honestly, there is a good chance if you jump in, now or maybe in the next few months, depending on the situation, like you are positioning yourself to get spillover. Because remember, when people join the company, everybody who joins, 6 months from now, they have to go under somebody, right? So just because you're involved with the company now, like today, somebody who joins a year from now, no matter what, they're underneath you, right? So just understand that. That's why a lot of people, they're like, oh, you should jump in now, you should join now, blah, 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 blah. That's one of the reasons why they say that, because the sooner you get in, the higher your chances are of getting spillover. Now, being honest, could you come into this opportunity, all right? Because it costs $40 to be able to be a business builder, right? So it's a one-time fee to become an affiliate of $40, and then it's $9.95 to become to stay an active member. So if you were to start this opportunity today or tomorrow, right, you would pay a one-time fee of $49.95, right? And then next month, it's going to be $9.95. And then that's it. That's all you got to pay to stay a member. Now, obviously, you can buy products, and that's what you should be doing because this is a health supplement company, right? But keep in mind, as a LiveGood member, the products are like super cheap, which is dope, right? But so all you got to do is be able to pay the $9.95. Now, could you actually just do that and just keep your fingers crossed and just stay a member, just ride it out? You actually could, right? Despite what people tell you, whether it's good or bad, you actually could. But if you want to just look at it like, hey, I'm paying $10 a month to be a LiveGood member, right? Because I just enjoy the products. I like getting these discounted products. And maybe you're not a promoter, maybe you're not a recruiter, right? You don't want to do all that. You could literally just enjoy the products at a discount rate. And then I am pretty sure eventually, might even take a year, might even take 2 damn years, eventually you'll be able to log into your LiveGood account and you're going to see like, oh my God, I got extra $50, $200, $300, who knows, right? You probably will earn some income just by you doing absolutely nothing, especially if you coming into this opportunity at the beginning stages like a lot of people are doing, right? But if you really want to maximize the LiveGood opportunity and really get to the higher levels and start earning, $4,000, $10,000, $20,000 a month, then yes, you want to promote the opportunity. And how you can promote the opportunity is very, very simple. You can start getting the products, right? And start doing reviews on the products. Talk about the products, right? Talk about the opportunity. You can share this with, all kinds of people because, health and wellness is a popular niche. It's a popular industry. So it's very easy to talk about these kinds of things. And the thing that I do like about LiveGood is the fact that, it's a very easy, simple business model to present to people, right? It's very clear, clean cut. Like, this is what you get. This is how much it costs. This is how much you could earn, right? So I personally am promoting LiveGood because I want to be big in LiveGood, right? Like, I really want to earn some nice income. Now, don't get me wrong. An extra couple $1,000s a month is dope for anybody, right? That's cool. But I feel like even if I struggle with actually promoting LiveGood, that I'm still going to earn money somehow, some way, just because I plan on being with LiveGood for many years, right? LiveGood is a long-term business opportunity. If you decide to jump into LiveGood, like, come into it knowing that you're going to be a member for at least a year, right? But really just look at it like, I'm just a member, period. You know what I'm saying? Just like you have no plans on canceling Netflix or your Amazon Prime, you need to go into LiveGood like, look, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm good. I'm here for a while. I'm going to stick this out. This is a real business opportunity that's going to pay off in the future. So yes, I am excited about LiveGood, excited to be a member and excited to grow with this company. So if you want to do the same thing, you can take the LiveGood tour right now by clicking the link in the description of this video. And after watching this video, I am sure that you are going to want to join LiveGood. So I will see you on the team.